Most beginners quit cybersecurity before they even get started. Not because they're bad at it, but because they start with certifications they were never ready for. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing careers right now, but it's also one of the most confusing careers to break into. There's hundreds of different courses, training platforms, and certifications to choose from, and everyone claims that their certification or platform is the best. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 beginner trainings that are actually worth taking in 2026. Make sure you watch until the end because the last one is probably one you've never even heard about. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ben and I'll make videos like this one every single week. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe if you're new, and also go ahead and drop me a like for the YouTube algorithm. If you want to check out any of these certificates or training that I mentioned in this video, I'll leave all the links in the description box down below. So at number 1, we have the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificates offered by Coursera and Google. This is one of the best entry points into cybersecurity, especially if you're coming from a background with zero experience. Google built this program for beginners who are looking for a way to learn cybersecurity in a structured manner. The certificate is comprised of 9 different courses that go over foundational cybersecurity concepts, like learning the basics, networking, Linux and SQL, basic Python, and also preparing for interviews and conducting your own job search. The certificate itself is taught by Google professionals who actually have experience working in the industry, and the content is comprised of high-quality videos, quizzes, and labs to test your knowledge. And this certificate has a flexible payment structure where you pay $49 per month and you only pay for however long you take to complete the entire certificate. So if you finish the certificate in 1 month, you could be paying $49 for an entire professional certificate. And the content that you'll learn in this certificate will prepare you for the Security Plus certification, which is one of the most popular entry-level cybersecurity certifications on the market that pretty much all employers want to see. And the best part about this certificate is that it's completely online and it's really flexible for people who are working full-time or in school or trying to make a change into the cybersecurity industry. So if you have no experience in IT or cybersecurity, this is going to be the perfect place to start. All right, so moving on to number 2, that is going to be the Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificates, also on Coursera. So the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificates will teach you the basics and the fundamentals, but this one will take everything one step further. This program is built around the tools and environment that companies actually use every single day. You'll learn how security operates within Microsoft environments, which is a big deal because most companies rely on Microsoft as their main operating system. This certificate is also comprised of 9 different courses that have videos, quizzes, and also capstone projects. You'll start learning things like Microsoft Defender, Microsoft Sentinel, identity and access management, threat detection, and security operations workflows. And my favorite part about it as someone who works in this niche is the cybersecurity risk management and compliance section. It's pretty rare to see a beginner certificate have a section for GRC or governance, risk, and compliance training. This certificate is also $49 per month, so you also have that flexible payment structure for someone who is working part-time or full-time or also in school, so you can take it at your own speed and on your own time. So moving on to number 3, that is going to be the IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificates, also offered on Coursera. So IBM's program is slightly different from the first 2 certificates that I mentioned in this video. The IBM certificate leans heavily on enterprise security operations and getting exposure to tools that companies are using every single day. So just like the other 2, this certificate is comprised of videos, quizzes, lectures, and projects as well, but you'll also get hands-on experience with things like QRadar, threat intelligence concepts, incident response workflows, security monitoring and analysis, and risk and compliance fundamentals. This certificate will be really useful if you're someone who is looking for SOC or Security Operations Center roles, or GRC, governance, risk, and compliance adjacent roles. This certificate is useful because it'll show that you have experience working with different types of vendors and different types of tools you can add onto your resume. So now that we have a theoretical and some hands-on experience when it comes to cybersecurity fundamentals, the next step is going to be starting to get your hands dirty and get some hands-on experience using real tools, working within real environments, and completing cybersecurity tasks that you do in the real world. So with that said, number 4 is not necessarily a certification, but rather it's a training platform called Hack the Box and Try Hack Me. These 2 platforms are the most popular beginner-friendly cybersecurity training platforms to start getting hands-on experience and going through different labs. So the first 3 certificates that I mentioned in this video will teach you the knowledge in the theoretical aspect, but Try Hack Me and Hack the Box will start to build the actual muscle. These 2 platforms have a bunch of different learning paths and learning modules that you can explore and learn about different niches in cybersecurity. And if you're like me and you're more of a hands-on learner, these 2 platforms are the perfect place for you. And one of my favorite parts about Try Hack Me and Hack the Box is the fact that you don't have to download any additional software in order to get started. A lot of times, if you you want to build your own lab or your own home lab, you have to download a bunch of different software, and it can kind of get confusing or overwhelming, especially for someone who is brand new to cybersecurity. So all you need to do is really focus on learning and not have to worry about any of the back-end infrastructure. Platforms like Hack the Box and TryHackMe teach you patience, problem solving, which is really important. And if you're someone who likes video games or puzzles, this is going to be the perfect place to start because they make cybersecurity learning in a gamified way through CTFs or capture the flags, which makes it way more fun and engaging in my opinion. Platforms like these will teach you important skills and characteristics you need in order to be successful in cybersecurity. And on top of that, employers love seeing when people take initiative of their own learning and have experience working in different labs in TryHackMe and Hack the Box and can talk about it during interviews and on their social media platforms like LinkedIn or their own blog. It's important that you document your progress on these platforms and show what you've learned and how you're progressing. Both of these platforms are affordable for beginners as they're around $10 to $25 per month. And like I said before, if you want to check out any of these certificates or trainings that I mentioned in this video, I'll leave all the links down in the description box below. So moving on to number 5, it is going to be the Information Technology course offered by Course Careers. Course Careers is an educational platform that was developed by people who actually have experience working in IT and cybersecurity. And now I know what you're thinking, Ben, why are you recommending an IT course when we're talking about cybersecurity certificates and training here? And to be completely honest with you guys, cybersecurity isn't the most entry-level friendly place to start your tech career. But on the other hand, IT is the perfect place to kickstart your career if you're struggling to land your first job in cybersecurity. I know so many people who are currently working in cybersecurity who have a background in IT or help desk prior to actually landing their first job in cybersecurity. It's one of the most common pipelines to start at before landing your first cybersecurity job. And that's exactly why I'm recommending the Course Careers IT course. It's pretty much a beginner-friendly course geared to help beginners like you land your first job in IT. Think about roles like IT support and help desk. And they actually have a free IT course that you can start today, and I'll leave a link to all of that in the description box below. So overall, that is going to be my top 5 beginner certificates and trainings that are actually worth taking in 2026, and they each offer something different. But most importantly, as someone who's a complete beginner, they offer things like structure, hands-on experience, and the proven first step to start building towards landing your first IT or cybersecurity internship or full-time job. Now, by no means am I asking you guys to take all of these beginner level certificates. Maybe choose 1 or 2 and then start building towards more advanced level certificates. For example, maybe you go with the Google Cybersecurity Professional certificates as a way to get some foundational concepts and basic understanding of cybersecurity. And then after that, maybe moving towards the TryHackMe or Hack the Box to get some more hands-on experience, and then looking into the Security Plus certification. Really sit down and think what you want to get out of your beginner level cybersecurity education based off of your experience when it comes to IT or cybersecurity, whether you have zero experience, maybe some mild experience, or really advanced. That will determine what you want to choose when it comes to these beginner level certificates. Maybe you're someone who's tried to break into cybersecurity with no luck so far. Maybe starting with IT is going to be a better path for you towards cybersecurity. So make a decision based on what you need right now at this point of your cybersecurity career. But these 5 certificates are going to be a great place for you to go ahead and start your cybersecurity career. And like I said before, if you want to check out any of the certificates or trainings that I mentioned in this video, I'll leave a link to all of them down in the description box below. And if you want some more short form content, be sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Cyber with Ben. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next week's video. Peace.